songs say, where you going, my son? Now I know they're true. Boy, you never stop to think how fast the years run. Now they're taking you. I remember you was 3.5. Your mom and me, we'd sit there after things got quieted. We laughed at some new word you said, how tough you were to get to bed, and we planned the night away, planning for our kid. I was your hero then. I couldn't do no wrong as far as you were concerned. You thought I was the best of men. The tables hadn't turned. You hadn't learned how little time it takes. Daddies make mistakes. It seems to me that lately I've been thinking a lot. I think about my dad. Lots of funny things come back I thought I forgot, and now they make me sad. High school Andy used to be. I didn't want him touching me, and I shuddered if he did. Further back to summer nights, baseball games beneath the lights, and sleeping in the car, my daddy and his kid. He was my hero then. He couldn't do no wrong as far as I was concerned. I thought he was the wisest and the strongest and the best of men. The tables hadn't turned. I hadn't learned how little time it takes. Everybody breaks, and daddies make mistakes. This may sound square, but my kid's my imprint, you know what I mean? This is why I work. Every time I see a smart young guy walking by dressed real sharp, I'm looking at my kid. You know what I want? I want my kid to tell me he is not going to be like me. I want him to say, Dad, you're a nice guy, but you're a real dummy. Hell yes! If you can't improve yourself, improve your posterity. Otherwise, life ain't worth nothing. Might as well go back to the cave and stay there. I'm sure the first caveman who went over the hill to see what was on the other side. I don't think he went there wholly out of curiosity. He went there because he wanted to get his son out of the cave. I heard a lot of songs say, where you going, my son? Now I know they're for real. Boy, you never stop to think how fast the years run, and the things they steal. Now it seems I always knew why I do the things I do and the things I never did. Why work my whole damn life so's I can give a better life than the one my dad can give me. I give it to my kid.